Hello everybody. Do you know Oxford just released the words of the year? So let's go and understand those words so that we can use those words in our daily life. So the first word is the rage bait. Now what does the word rage bait means? I'll give you a little context. We witness the word rage bait in our daily life. How? Because when you see a content creator post something controversial, there is a fight happening in the comment section filled with anger, conversation. So that entire situation is called rage bait. Why? Because content deliberately designed to provoke anger and outrage, encouraging people to react emotionally and engage intensely. So that was the word rage bait means. Another word. Another word is parasocial. So what parasocial actually means? A one-sided relationship where a person feels deeply connected to a media figure who is completely unaware about their existence. Yes, suppose you're a fan of a celebrity or a cricketer or a film star. You know their existence, you feel connected to them, you get inspired from them. But the reality is that cricketer or that film star doesn't even know your entire existence. So that was the word parasocial actually means. So another word is aura framing. So aura framing means when we frame our aura or we present ourselves to a person in a way that we are not, or we frame our aura in such a way so that that person can get connected to us. Let's see this analogy. A deliberate act of presenting someone or something in a way that highlight a particular aura or impression, often idealized or carefully styled. For example, students often do their aura framing before going into an interview. Another word is touchgrass. So what does touchgrass means? A slang term humorously urging someone to go outside and reconnect with reality, especially after excessive online activity. Means your mother and your father oftenly says to you when you use a lot of mobile phones or laptops, they often say you go and have a touch grass. Means they are saying you to connect with nature or connect with the reality that is around you. Next word is biohack. Now what does word biohack means? It means a strategic eating pattern to optimize metabolism and energy levels, cumulative enhancement of design to boost your focus and mental performance, or using technology and techniques to maximize restorative sleep activity. In summary, it means a biohack is a word when you want to schedule a healthy lifestyle. For example, Titration gives you a biohack solutions to lead a healthy life. So, at the end, let me give you a summary of these 3 points. What these 3 points actually says. Number 1, cultural reflection. Another, language evolution. Number 3, understanding behavior. So, the summary of these 3 points can be, these whole words connect you to a digital life and a real life that you are living. These words are designed in such a way so that you can feel connected to what is happening digitally and you can understand them easily. Thank you so much. I hope you have taken few words and you're going to use them in your daily life.